Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Hook channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share some fantastic news about the GOATS airdrop. If you've been waiting for the distribution, the wait is finally over. GOATS has officially distributed their tokens, and I managed to receive 54 tokens. If you participated in the airdrop, you should have received your tokens too. If not, don't worry, I'll explain everything you need to know to check your balance and maximize your rewards. So, let's dive into the details. GOATS tokens were distributed early this morning, November 30th. The project team decided to drop these tokens as a reward for participants who climbed the airdrop ranks and referred others. If you received tokens, let me know in the comments below how many you got and whether you're planning to stake them. But here's the twist. The GOATS team is offering staking options with incredible rewards. Yes, you heard that right. Staking your tokens can earn you up to 1,200% APY. Let's break it down. Staking rewards, how it works. The GOATS team has introduced a staking program to encourage token holders to lock their tokens and earn massive rewards. Here's a quick overview of the staking options. 30 days, earn up to 400% APY. 90 days, earn up to 700% APY. 180 days, earn a whopping 1,200% APY. This is an incredible opportunity for those of us who received tokens. Staking allows you to multiply your holdings significantly, depending on how long you're willing to lock your tokens. For example, if you stake 50% of your tokens, you still have some liquid tokens in case you want to trade or sell later. If you're confident in the project, you can go all in and stake 100% of your tokens to maximize your returns. Personally, I've decided to stake 50% of my tokens first, just to test the waters. Later, I might increase it if everything looks promising. What about you? Are you planning to stake? Let me know in the comments below. Why did we receive so few tokens? Some of you might be wondering, why did we receive such a small number of tokens? Let me explain. Initially, the GOATS team had a 20 billion token supply, but they realized that releasing such a large supply into the market would hurt the token's value. To counter this, they drastically reduced the circulating supply. Here's how it works now. For every 1,000 coins you earned during the airdrop or game, you'll receive one GOATS token. For example, if you accumulated 10,000 points, you'd get 10 GOATS tokens. This proportional distribution ensures that the token remains scarce, which is great news for the price. Token price prediction. So, what does this mean for the value of GOATS tokens? With the reduced supply, there's a high chance that the price will skyrocket once the token is listed. Right now, my price prediction for GOATS is anywhere between 5 cents and 10 cents per token initially. Over time, as the project gains more traction and demand increases, the price could even reach $1 per token. Of course, this is just my estimate based on the current market trends and the team's strategy, so don't take it as financial advice. The official listing date for GOATS tokens is December 5th. That's when you'll be able to trade your tokens or hold them for future gains. Mark your calendars. Why staking could be a game changer. Staking your tokens now could be a smart move for several reasons. 1. Massive APY. Earning up to 1,200% APY is almost unheard of in the crypto world. 2. Scarcity effect. With fewer tokens in circulation, staking helps maintain scarcity, which can boost the token's value. 3. Passive income. You can earn more tokens without doing anything extra. Just lock your tokens and watch your balance grow. Many people in the community have already started staking their tokens. If you're still undecided, I recommend starting with 50% of your tokens and gradually increasing your stake as you gain confidence in the project. I've also been part of the referral program, and I'm happy to report that I've referred 9 friends so far. Referrals are a great way to earn extra rewards, so if you're interested, make sure to share your referral link with your friends. For those who purchased the GOATS Pass, the team has hinted at additional benefits, so stay tuned for updates. The GOATS Pass holders are expected to receive exclusive rewards in the future. If you haven't already, make sure to join the GOATS Telegram channel. The team shares all their announcements there, including staking updates, token distribution details, and listing dates. To summarize, GOATS tokens have been distributed, and staking is now live. You can stake your tokens for 30, 90, or 180 days and earn up to 1,200% APY. The token supply has been reduced significantly, which could lead to a price increase. The official token listing is on December 5th, so stay tuned for more updates. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the CryptoHook channel for more updates on GOATs and other crypto projects. Let's grow together in this amazing crypto journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy staking and good luck.